Welcome to Scotland, a land of natural beauty and stunning landscapes. If you're looking for a holiday destination that will take your breath away, then look no further. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to discovering the natural beauty of Scotland, a guide to stunning holiday destinations. This comprehensive guide takes you on a journey through some of Scotland's most beautiful and awe-inspiring destinations, from the rolling hills of the Scottish borders to the majestic peaks of the Highlands and the dramatic coastline of the West Coast. Scotland has something to offer everyone. For those seeking adventure, Scotland offers a wealth of outdoor activities, including hiking, mountain biking, kayaking, and wide swimming. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a beginner, there's something for everyone. One of the highlights of Scotland is its rugged coastline with miles of pristine beaches, towering cliffs and crystal clear waters. Here you can witness an abundance of marine life, including dolphins, seals, and whales. And for history buffs, Scotland is home to some of the most impressive castles and ruins in the world, with a fascinating history that spans thousands of years. Overall, discovering the natural beauty of Scotland, a guide to stunning holiday destinations, is the ultimate guide for anyone planning a holiday in Scotland. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Scottish adventure today. Thanks for watching.